Happy Monday. Becky Thames here live for The Drive at 5, and today I am going to talk to you about how you can build your e-commerce business while still working a 9-to-5 job. So listen, sitting in my car. I just got off work. It is pouring down rain here in Charleston, South Carolina. Hi Christina, thanks for joining. And I just ran in my car. My hair's still wet. You can't feel it, or you can't. You might can see it. I don't know. It's wet. Hey Val. Hey Christina. I had to like pat off and dry off and everything. Hey Gladys. So listen, today, or actually yesterday, I bought a new course, and I am going back to the basics and learning eBay. Now you guys know that I've been selling on Amazon very successfully for the past 5 years. My Amazon business is completely running on autopilot. I've been selling on eBay since November 9th, 1999, so a little over 18 years. Hey Ann, hey Sue. And one thing that I know is that eBay, Amazon, Shopify, Walmart, all of these platforms change. So even though I've been selling on eBay for 18 years, it's time to go back to the basics, and it's time to start over. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I started yesterday, actually, last evening, and I'm starting over learning eBay. Now, can I go over to eBay and list a product and sell it? Absolutely, I can. However, in spring of this year, spring of 2018, eBay just came out with some new summer updates. So basically what I learned 5 years ago is not up to date now. So I have to relearn it. And that's one thing that I want you to write down and take away from this video is if you learn something, hold on, the little shape, the shadows in my way. If you learned something, 5 months ago, 10 months ago, a year ago, 2 years ago, things change. Hey Tina, thanks for joining. So listen, I want to tell you about today and how I am learning my training. So let me tell you how I approach training first. Whenever I purchase a training course, I listen to the training all the way through before I do anything. So right now I am just listening. I'm not watching the videos. I am listening to them. I'm not trying to do the videos. I'm listening. So today, or yesterday and today. So I'll give you an example of what I did today. So this morning I got on the treadmill and I was listening to the training while I was running, right? And then I got in the shower and I posted a funny thing. Actually, it's a shower curtain that has a little pockets where you can put your electronics in it. I do not have one of those. However, I do have a waterproof speaker, where a Bluetooth speaker that I can listen in my bathroom. So that's what I do when I'm taking a shower, because taking a shower is a total waste of time, right? So you can use that time to learn. Val said it's actually a cool shower curtain, but you can use that time to actually learn a new skill. And so then I drive to work. Well, while I drive to work, I'm listening. I'm not like watching like I'm doing now, but I'm listening to the training. And then I got to work. My first break, I listened to the training. On my lunch break, I listened to the training. My second break, I listened to the training. I'm sitting now. When I say listen to the training, these videos are very short, sweet, and to the point. So it might be 5 minutes, it might be 3 minutes, it might be 8 minutes. They're broken into little bite-sized pieces, so it's not like I'm sitting there listening for the whole 15 minutes or the whole 30 minutes that I'm on the treadmill. They're broken into little tidbits. So now I'm getting ready to drive home, and I'm gonna listen to the training. And then if you cook dinner, which I am gonna do tonight, but I rarely do, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a cooker, but cooking dinner is a total waste of time. Listen to the training, right? And then when I go to sleep, I actually have a pillow speaker, and I do listen to training all the time on that. Now, a lot of you are like, oh my gosh, Becky, you are like over the top crazy. No, guys, I'm focused, and I don't do this every day. I only do it when I'm learning something new. So one, I'm just going to listen to the training. 2, I'm going to go back and listen and take notes, and that's when I'm going to be super focused. And 3, I'm going to go back and listen and actually do the work. And I promise you, if you just listen and take notes, and then listen and take action, you will have massive success. Now, I want you to know that not everyone wants to quit their 9-to-5 job. I don't. I actually meet a lot of people that love what they're doing. But I also know that there are a lot of you that do want to quit your 9-to-5 job. But listen, you have to work this business into the nooks and crannies of your life. And if you treat it like a business, it will pay you like a business over and over and over. So I hope this video, hey, Kedrick's like the king of eBay. I bet if you ask Kedrick, hey, how did you learn eBay? He would tell you exactly how he did it. He's a king of thrifting. He actually likes to go to thrift stores and buy items and come home and ship them and sell them. You can do that if you want to do. There's so many ways. Ann says she wants to retire. Kendall says e-commerce is my job and I still work it into my nooks and crannies. Awesome, Kendall. So guys, if there's a will, there's a way. If you want to make some extra income, it could be an extra, $200 a month. Do you know that the average family, if they had an extra $500 a month, just $500, what that could do for them? Actually, it keeps families from bankruptcy. Hey, Tamara, thanks for joining. Hey, Kedrick. So it keeps families out of bankruptcy. And so just an extra $500. I remember my very first month, my profit was $300 a month. $300 my first month. I had a goal to make 10K in 90 days. I reached that goal. Since then, I've gone on to have over $1.3 million in sales on just Amazon part-time. And what I realized is I'm leaving money on the table with eBay, right? And so that's why I'm going back to the basics. If you want to join me, send me a message. I'll share with you exactly what I'm doing. Oh, and I still make money on Amazon. Somebody sent me a message and they were like, are you like quitting Amazon? And I'm like, are you crazy? Heck to the no, I'm not quitting Amazon. But Amazon does everything for me, and that's why I don't quit my job, because Amazon ships the items that I sold. If you have a problem, you call Amazon, right? You don't even know that it's me, except Saturday I got a deposit from Amazon. So that's a true hands-off business. And so if you were to watch my private label course, I ask a question on there, and my question is, there's 7.125 billion people in this world. Do you think you could sell 10 products a day? Because if you sold 10 products a day that made $5 profit, that would be $50 per day profit. That's $1,500 per month, right? From selling on Amazon. So just today, when I was at lunch, I had a sale. One customer on Amazon bought purchased 12 of my private label items. Just one customer. And I've had many customers today. So I know that you can sell at least 10 items per day as well. So, and then, oh my gosh, Miss Perry, if you are watching me, I am so super stinking excited for you. She sent me a message and she was like, Becky, my first private label products sold on Amazon today. She was like, OMG. And I was like, wait a minute, she just purchased the course. I was like, when did you purchase the course? And she was like 2 to 3 weeks ago. And I actually went back to look. She purchased it on July the 2nd. And today is July the, 30th? And I said, did you import from China? And she said, yes. Guys, that's the fastest I've ever seen it. And she hasn't even finished watching the course yet. She just, I think she's like maybe halfway. Well, at least I know she's gotten to the place part because she's found her supplier and already imported it, right? So guys, I know the training works. I'm just here to say, if you work this business into the nooks and crannies of your life, I promise you, you will have success. If it's something you're interested in doing, send me a message. I won't answer it until I get home because I'm going to be listening to my training. I'm going to be driving home, going to dinner with my boys, or having dinner with my boys. And I will talk to you tomorrow on The Drive at 5. Have an amazing day. Bye.